What's going on, guys? If you can't tell, we are deer hunting today. So it's middle of October. It's muzzleloader season, closing in on gun season. And your boy is not on the board. And that's a problem. Since I was 8 years old, I have not went a season without killing a deer. I'm not worried about that. But since I've been bow hunting, I can't remember a year that didn't go by where I killed one with a bow. So now, since it's almost gun season, I'm getting a little anxious. So with that being said, we tried to hunt in here the other day and it was windy as I'll get out. The wind was, it was pushing 15 miles an hour. We slipped in about 3 o'clock and ended up seeing 3 deer right when we were getting up the tree. And I'm pretty sure they smelt us. We've got that same wind today. We brought our saddle in here and we're set up about 70 yards from where we really want to be, but because of the wind, I don't have no other choice. If I want to kill a deer in here, I've got to sit according to the wind, because this place it's not according to if you're going to see a deer, it's according to if they're going to smell you or not. So we've set up in a place that's not ideal for a shot, but it's ideal for the wind. So maybe we'll get lucky. It's all self-filmed, baby, so bear with me. Walker Ross with Tater Rich TV. Let's get it. In the pump house, baby. In the pump house. He's down. Son, I sent her to the spirit world. Bingo, baby. Thank you, Lord. Dude, that G5 hit her, and it was just an explosion. She just exploded, dude, right in her shoulder, dude. Right behind the shoulder. I mean, she went forward 30 yards and couldn't tote it no more, man. I'm talking 30 yards and she couldn't tote it. Every bit of that was on film, too, man. They come in behind me. They never come in from back that way. But it's the wind is pushing right over my left shoulder, and they come in downwind. But they could smell me, they could smell where I'd been, but they couldn't tell where I was at. 20 minutes, they stood underneath this tree, trying to figure out what was going on. And I kept hearing something coming up the ridge and looked out there, and here comes 3 big old monster does. I kept looking for horns to make sure there wasn't no horns. But the good news is we got a quiver full of arrows. We got the skunk off our bag. And now we hunting for horns, baby. That's over with. I got some baby strap to tote to work tomorrow. Let's go. Them squirrels is freaking out, dude. I'm telling you, that G5 hit her, and it's like you shot her with a 50 cal, son.
All right, boys, we got down. Y'all seen it all happen. I probably could have went and looked right after I shot, but we decided to wait till dark. I got my partner in here to come help me drag. So we're right here at the arrow, so let's check it out. I'd say that's probably okay, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Looks like I hit her.
See all them bubbles in that, on that fletching. Yep, whatever it is.
There she is.
Yep.
Let's go.
Walker got one. Walker's finally on the board.
Look on.
The mega meat, man.
Mega meat.
Do some damage.
Well, boys, we're on the board in Georgia. Just, I don't know if that's this year's fawn or if that was last year's fawn, but don't matter.
Meat in the freezer.
Meat in the freezer.
Good old freezer queen.
Freezer queen. All right, boys. Appreciate y'all watching the video. Y'all like this video, subscribe to the channel if you want to, and we'll see you next time on Tater Ridge TV.